In aqueous solution, the ionization constants for carbonic acid are K1 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 7 and K2 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 11. Select the correct statement for a saturated 0.034 molar solution of carbonic acid. Before reading the options, just try to write the equations. What is carbonic acid? What is the formula of carbonic acid? It is H2CO3. Now this H2CO3 dissociates into H plus of HCO3 minus ion. Right? Now for this, your equilibrium constant, that is K value, is given as 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. And the second equation, that is K2, would be what? HCO3 minus will be dissociated into H plus of CO3 2 minus. And what is K2 equal to? 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 11. Right? What it suggests? It suggests that the values of K, see, the value of K2, that is the dissociation constant for HCO3 minus, is less than K1. See, it is 10 to the power minus 11, right? It means, see, what is the dissociation constant or equilibrium constant? If I want to write the equation for K2, what I'll write? K2 is equal to H plus CO3 2 minus, and that is the product, and that is divided by the reactant concentration, that is HCO3 minus. So when the K2 value is less, there would be CO3 2 minus. When the K2 value is less, it means that the concentration of CO3 2 minus is far less than HCO3 minus. Because this value is less, that is some 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 11. Right? Now if I am writing K1, so what is K1 equal to? K1 is equal to H plus HCO3 minus, and that divided by H2CO3. Right? So here the constant, the value of equilibrium constant is more. It means it is what? It is 4.2. It is more than K2. It is 4.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Right? It means the HCO3 minus concentration in this solution, so this is concentration, right, is greater than CO3 2 minus, and all the H plus is coming from where? It is coming from H2CO3, right? Now let's read the options. Probably we'll get our answer. The concentration of CO3 2 minus ions in the solution is 0.034 molar. Is it? No, because the dissociation of HCO3 minus is very less. It means the concentration of CO3 2 minus won't be 0.034 molar, right? The concentration of CO3 2 minus is greater than that of HCO3 minus. Is it? Here the concentration of CO3 2 minus is far less than HCO3 minus. Next option is The concentration of H plus and HCO3 are approximately equal. Yeah, that is the case. They are approximately equal because all the H plus is coming from H2CO3. So the concentration of H plus and HCO3 minus are approximately equal. The concentration of H plus is double that of HCO3 2 minus. Of course not. You can't say that actually, right? So what will be our right option here, students? It's C. So this was a question from your ionic equilibria, and remember students, in such sort of questions where you are provided with the dissociation constant 1 value and dissociation constant 2 value, you will be getting questions like this, that which of the ions concentration is more or which is less, right, or are they equal? Just sort of that, right? So you try to work out the dissociation of that particular compound, right, if it's in 2 steps or if it's in 3 steps. And then you can find out the concentration, not the exact but approximate values. You can get that whether it would be equal or not equal. So this was the question from ionic equilibrium. Right, and the marking scheme for this was +4 and -1, right?